Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is the eukaryotic cell. If a cell has a nucleus enclosing its DNA, it's eukaryotic. That puts plants, animals, fungi and protists in one big family. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what defines a eukaryote, the organelles to expect inside one, and the single key difference that separates eukaryotes from bacteria. A eukaryotic cell has a nucleus, a membrane-bound compartment that contains the DNA. It also has other membrane-bound organelles, mitochondria, often chloroplasts in plants, an endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and so on. Eukaryotic cells are typically 10 to 100 times larger than prokaryotic cells. Animals, plants, fungi, and protists are all built from eukaryotic cells. 3 things to lock in. 1. DNA is sealed in a nucleus, not floating in the cytoplasm. 2. There are membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria for respiration and chloroplasts for photosynthesis. And 3. Size, typically 10 to 100 micrometers, much bigger than bacteria. If a cell ticks all 3 boxes, it's eukaryotic. The classic slip is confusing eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Eukaryotic has a nucleus, prokaryotic doesn't, and bacteria are not eukaryotic, they're prokaryotic. The presence or absence of a nucleus is the single most important distinguishing feature when you're asked to identify a cell type in an exam. Quick example. A typical animal cell, nucleus, mitochondria, ribosome, cell membrane. A typical plant cell, all of the above, plus chloroplasts, a cell wall, and a permanent vacuole. Both are eukaryotic. So is a yeast cell or a paramecium. Anything with a nucleus, you're in eukaryotes territory. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.